Creating an API in Python involves using a web framework like Flask or Django to define endpoints and handle incoming requests. Here's a basic guide. Install Flask or Django. Use pip to install Flask or Django, depending on your preference and project requirements. Set up a Python file. Create a new Python file for your API and import the necessary modules from Flask or Django. Define endpoints. Use decorators or URL patterns to define the endpoints for your API. Each endpoint corresponds to a specific URL and HTTP method. Define view functions. Write view functions to handle incoming requests to your endpoints. These functions perform the required logic and return an appropriate response, typically in JSON format. Start the server. Run your Python file to start the development server provided by Flask or Django. This server will listen for incoming HTTP requests and route them to the appropriate view functions. Test your API. Use tools like CURL, Postman, or browser plugins to send requests to your API endpoints and verify that they return the expected responses. Deploy your API. Once you're satisfied with your API, deploy it to a production server using a web server like Nginx or Apache.